Hi, my name is Quinn. I'm in year 13. I'm the frontman and lead songwriter of the band 23 Odd Hands. But I would say pretty much since I was a kid, I've always been interested in music. My household was a very music-centric household. My parents played music all the time. They don't play instruments, but they're like very much music lovers, and so that definitely made an impact on me. For me, music just started kind of from the first that I could listen to music. Was just like I was in love with it. Well, 23 Odd Hands is kind of its own living, breathing thing. It's gone through a couple of different variations. Like last year it was just me and a drummer, and we played like as a two-piece. And this year I approached my band members that are playing with me today, and I asked them, would you want to do this big project? It's a massive set list, and it's a long concert. It's going to be a lot of work, but I like reaching out to you because I think you're all amazing musicians.
Formerly, I want to thank Erica for an amazing voice. And then we got Jake here. There's amazing bass players, so good. And then here we've got Ricardo, an amazing drummer, so good. And then here we've got Quinn, who graciously lent us his time to help us on rhythm and lead guitar. Thank you so much.
One thing I found in music is everything is better once you collaborate with somebody. It's so much fun coming up with ideas and brainstorming and trying different things with different people, and everybody's different, and so you always get something new when you work with different people, and that to me is so cool that somebody can add just a little bit more to what your idea is and make it something completely different than what you had. Usually what happens is I come up with something interesting on the piano or guitar or anything, mandolin, whatever instrument, and then I record it in my voice notes, and then I get home that day and I try to record at least a section of the song. Sometimes I'll record the whole song in one day, sometimes I'll only record the verse or just the chorus. But it starts out with an idea, and then the song builds around that central idea. The music should speak for itself. It's going to make you feel what you need to feel, as long as it's genuine and it's real. All I can do is control the music that you hear.